Hi everyone. So in the previous video we have discussed that how can you find the maximum number of pieces or minimum number of pieces by using certain number of cuts. So in this video it is exactly reverse. Suppose if you wanna get number of pieces 200. If you want 200 number of pieces, suppose a simple example that in a birthday there is a cake, there is a cube cake like this, and then we have to distribute to 200 members so equally. So we need to get equal number of pieces. So 200 equal number of pieces, how can you get? By using minimum number of cuts. We have to use minimum number of cuts. So maximum number of cuts anyway you can find, because in single direction, if you make cuts in single direction 199 cuts, then we will get equal number of pieces as well as 200 pieces. If the cuts are 199 in one direction, so definitely the number of pieces will be plus 1. So 200 pieces we will get. So this is maximum number of by using maximum number of cuts. But by using minimum number of cuts, how can you find, how can you bring out 200 pieces? So we'll discuss that. So simple example here, suppose we want 200 pieces output, so equal number of pieces. So the measurements also equal for those pieces, so equal size pieces we have to get 200. So now what is the method here to follow to get the maximum number of pieces? What we are using, we are distributing the cuts along all the directions equally to get the maximum number of pieces. It is exactly reverse. The pieces they have given, we need to find the minimum number of cuts, exactly reverse. So first we need to write the products of 200. So minimum number of cuts we will get only in the case of if you make the cuts in all the directions, definitely. So whatever the number of cuts, that is secondary. First we need to cuts all the directions, then only we will get the maximum anyway. So now we have 3 axes, that's why we need to take, how can you write the 200 number in the product of 3 numbers, 3 number product. So take the factors of 200 first. So 1 into 200 into 1 I can distribute like that. So 2 into 100 into 1 I can write like this. So 4 into 25 into 2 I can write like this. So but the thing is, just observe clearly that minimum number you will get when the numbers are equally nearest to each other, because whenever you 3 cuts means we are getting pieces 4 into 4 into 4. So the numbers, product numbers also must be nearest to each other, then only we will get the minimum number of cuts. So now, so distribute equally nearly. So 10 into 10 I am taking 2, so not, it is very less. So I am taking 5 here only, so 5 into 5, 25 into 8, so any other 10 into 5 into 4. So no other such case that when the numbers are not nearest to each other. So only those 2 cases, very clear that no other such case I think. So we'll see that. So here number of pieces 4 plus, so here number of cuts are 4 plus 7. So 4 plus 4 8, 15 number of cuts. So here in this case 9 plus 4 plus 3. So here 16 we got, here 15, here 16 number of cuts. So this is the minimum only. This is the minimum number of cuts. We need to take the product of 3 numbers, and then in which case when the numbers are nearest to each other, or the difference between the least number and the highest number must be very less. So here the highest number in this case, highest number is 10. In this case highest number is 4. What is the difference? 6 here. In this case highest number is 8. In this case lowest number is 5. What is the difference? 3 here. So we need to go with less difference between the highest number and the lowest number in the product. We need to write the given number as a product of 3 numbers. Take the factors, 3 numbers. Try to take the products in such a manner that we'll get the minimum number of cuts. So we have to take the nearest numbers only in the product and then observe that the difference between the highest number and lowest number in that product should be minimum. In which case it is minimum, we need to go with that case to get the minimum number of cuts. So another example, we'll see that suppose I wanna make 100 pieces. I wanna make it 100 pieces. So 100 pieces means I have to use only minimum number of cuts. So how can you make them 100 pieces by using minimum number of cuts? So again write it as product of 3 numbers, 5 into 5 into 4. Any other case? So it is nearest to each other, definitely 3n plus 1. This is the only one case. If you write 10 into 5 into 2, the difference is 8 here, but the difference is 1. Difference between the maximum or highest number and lowest number should be minimum. So this case only will be happen definitely. So we need to make 4 cuts. So here 4 cuts along x-axis, along y-axis 4 cuts along z-axis. So total 11 cuts only we have to use. 4 cuts, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 3 cuts only. 1, 2, 3. So we'll get the 100 pieces definitely. We'll get 100 pieces definitely. So here 5, here 5, here 4. So 4 into 5 into 5, which is 100. So number of pieces will be 100. So we need to write the given number of pieces as a product of 3 numbers and then we should have to take the case in which the difference between the lowest number and highest number should be minimum. In such case only we'll get the minimum number of cuts. I think it's clear for you. Okay, so let's see another one. Suppose if I wanna make 89 pieces, I have to get 89 pieces by using minimum number of cuts. By using how many minimum number of cuts, I will get 89 pieces. So observe, how can you write 89 as a product of 3 numbers? If you know the prime numbers, you can identify easily 89 whether is it prime number or not. It is a prime number. So observe, that's why memorize all the prime numbers from 1 to 100 at least. So 89 is a prime number. So 89, how can you write as a product of 3 numbers? Only one case, that is 1 into 1 into 89. So 89 pieces along only one direction. So 1 into 1. So total 89 only again. So 89 pieces along one direction. Then this is the maximum as well as minimum. So how many cuts total? 0 cuts here, 0 cuts here, along only one direction. Any one of the directions you can take along x-axis, either along y-axis or along z-axis. You can take any one of the directions. So we have used 89 cuts to get the maximum number of pieces or minimum number of pieces, the same thing. That is 89 pieces. That is the maximum or minimum also same. So we have used only 89. Sometimes you will get the prime numbers in the middle. Suppose 58 is there. How can you write here? 58, 29 into 2. Only one case because 29 is the prime number. So we can't get any other case definitely. For few numbers only we will get 2 cases, 3 cases. So here we can write like this also, but we will get the maximum here, not minimum. So 28 plus 1 plus 0, total 29 only. You have to use it. By using 29 cuts, we can make them 58 pieces. This is the shortcut. Just we need to write the given number of pieces as a product of 3 numbers and take the case in which the difference between the lowest and highest number should be minimum. I think it's clear for you. So thank you very much. We will see and we will continue in the next session the cubes topic.